Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly, and today I will be doing two things. One, I will be going to the traffic authority, and two, I'm gonna search for Christmas items. All right, just two things for today. So today is Tuesday. Monday I went to traffic authority. I did what I was supposed to do, but I didn't get to vlog any at all. So I'll be vlogging today. So today is Tuesday, and remember it's the weekly vlog, so you get one vlog with the different days in it. Okay guys, I'm rocking the hat again, guys. Look here, I'm gonna wear my hat them, you know. You're not gonna love me. You're not gonna love me. I wonder if I should look and then buy tomorrow, because what if I can't get it cheaper? What if I can get it cheaper? I don't know. This is cute. It's nice, see? Cute. Alright, this one gonna be nice. How much is this? Get this instead of the Christmas tree. How much is this? 13. I saw my battery big. 13 something. I'm trying to get this instead of a Christmas tree. I don't make no sense. It may look nice. Funny plant them. Look at the plants. So this one nice, very clean. What ya? No sir, you know your something. They're everywhere, not true. 11,000. I mean, look, things say Christmas. No sir.
I buy it one of them. 22,000.
Enough money that.
No, some money. Look a short fun buy me this.
I look for you. Nice, but like this though.
I look too old.
No, I look like a snow the funny, but I wonder if I get this instead of a Christmas tree.
I get the Christmas tree. Come on, the Christmas tree. This look like Christmas tree too.
But look, this look nice.
Can't buy that one. I finish that one. That much cheap. See, they look at that one. $2,000.
Good. And I had this nice. With the pot of 4 I plant. So, but it even cheaper. This is 2,000 other. And this is for 3. It's nice. Look at the $6,000. I don't know what I'm gonna buy. I think I want to buy something for my mother though. I think I want to buy something for her. I want this one. Hindi ko na med daw niya. It look cute though, but no, not time to do them. Oh, this one, this nice. None the other one, yeah. See me, I go green, red, and gold. These are cute. No, no Santa Claus. Santa is. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday. I don't remember vlogging anything Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, but today is Thursday, November the 28th, and I'm starting off the vlog today. Now if I do remember I'm recording something for you on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, then I will post some clips here and there. This is how I'm rocking the hair today, guys. Alright, now I mentioned that I wanted to keep it wrapped up, but I really like the flow of it, guys. Just look at it, how it's bouncing all about. It's my hard work showing through, guys. So I think it matched the outfit today. I'm just wearing a jean skirt and this old blouse here. I'm actually going to the class. Alright, as I mentioned in one of my videos, I'm doing private tutoring. Alright, so this is the hair. Alright, I was going to wrap it up. I'll put it up like this, but I decided to just let it flow for today. I'm gonna show you what I do at the class today. I'm not gonna show you much, nope, but I'm gonna show you bits and pieces, probably 10 minutes or 15 minutes thereabout. Alright guys, but if I'm running late, I will not get to do that. Okay guys, so just stay tuned, and I'm on my way. I have my little backpack here with my paints, my crayons, papers, etc, etc. So let's go, guys. By the way, if you're new here, thanks for subscribing to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly, and I will see you soon. Bye guys. Alright guys, I'm here, so I'm going to show you the setup. I'm not going to show you much. Alright, probably just the table action. Alright, how I set up, that's it. Alright guys. Alright guys, so I'm going to set up now. Brushes today. I got this from TEMU. I don't need them today. So this is the stuff. Incomplete. We'll finish that soon. See? Alright, so I would recommend, if you're teaching, we use two books. One a scrapbook and another one a drawing book. The difference is between the two of them is that the scrapbook is where you can do some random things, and then the drawing book would be like your final piece. Alright, so it will be more clean, more organized, more presentation wise. So if anybody asks to see your work, that's what you would show them. But the scrapbook, I'm going to show you some examples of the scrapbook, okay? So like practices and so on. Alright, so that will be the scrapbook. So it's different from the drawing book. Drawing book, scrapbook, both different, alright? We're going to do a new scrapbook today. That's the do's today. So tape. I'm setting up the table, guys. So yeah. Tape brushes. Wipes. We're gonna need wipes. Yeah. This to glue in the things in the drawing book. That. Brushes. Alright, so all the whites in this is done. So we're going to use our new scrapbook. The drawing book is for last. This in here. So that is how I set up or get ready for a class. Alright, I ensure that I have everything. This is the documents, my tools or her tools. We're going to work together for books, the activity, the pencil case, and over here we're going to paint. So the paint brushes, I have the water, you have the palettes, paints, etc. I'm going to put some water in that one. Alright guys, so that is how I set up for my class. Alright, you have to set up, you have to prep. When you're painting, you have to prep. It's a must. Alright, ensure that you get all your tools and you prep. Alright, so let's say your class starts at 2. Ensure that you're there about 15 minutes before so you can prep. Alright guys, bye. Guys, I went to pick up the shirts and the shirts are not ready. They're messed up. They left off the F of LY. So now I'm at B&B and I'm waiting. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.